Hello, good day, and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2018 Mathematics Past Question 53. A fair coin is tossed once. What is the probability of getting a tail? A 1 over 6, B 1 over 2, C 1 over 3, and D 2 over 3. Now, a fair coin is tossed once. I want you to understand that a fair coin or a coin has two sides. It has two sides. These are the head and the tail. These are the two sides of a coin. Now, if the coin is tossed once, the probability of getting a tail, that is, the probability of getting one side, will be given as, so therefore the probability of getting a tail is equal to 1 all over 2. Why? This is because now the coin has two sides. Two sides. Now you want to find the probability of getting what? Of getting one side, which is the tail. That is 1. So therefore the probability of getting a tail out of the two sides of a coin is simply what? 1 all over 2. And this is 1 over 2. So the probability of getting a tail when a fair coin is tossed once, because the coin has two sides, a head and a tail, is 1 over 2. And from our option A says 1 over 6, which is wrong. B says 1 over 2, which is very correct. C says 1 over 3, which is wrong. And D says 2 over 3, which is wrong. So our correct answer is option B, 1 over 2. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.